Today we're going to grill something on the Blackstone. An unusual sandwich. You won't believe it. So let's get started. A peanut butter, banana, and bacon sandwich.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. Bacon and banana on a Blackstone grill. Try that crazy pop.
I've been making them for a couple months.
Yeah. This is not a new sandwich, but Jim wants a little something different added to his. You'll have to figure that one out. All right, let's try it. Oh, it's good.
Is that good onions on it?
This ain't got nothing of your stuff on it. It is bacon, peanut butter and jelly, and banana on Sara Lee artisan bread.
Bacon.
Don't
forget bacon.
Bacon, bacon, bacon makes everything good.
And that's the Lowes exclusive culinary series that just came out this year.
Oh, this is a Lowes exclusive grill? Culinary. Wow.
It just came out this spring.
What size is this one?
36.
36 inch?
One of three that our Lowes got. And
It's a little different. It's banana, bacon, peanut butter and jelly, and onion.
on toast.
And toast.
Right, makes it. I have to take your word on that one.
Anybody else created a different kind of sandwich on their Blackstone? I challenge anybody to do it. Be creative. But I don't think I'd want onion on mine.
There's nothing wrong with the onion. The onion's good. Onion good. Here. There's your
I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. It was Michael Howell's creation. And Jim took it another step and wanted onion on it. Oh. What do you think, Taylor?
I would have had a fried pickle too if we had one.
I just think it'd be nasty. That just sounds bad. Why would you put onions on it? That just sounds bad.
One bite?
No! I don't really like jelly. Well, I don't eat bananas that much, and I'm not going to eat an onion. No. Gross.
Oh,
Have
shoot.
you tried it?
No, but I don't want to.
How do you want it to go?
It sounds gross.
Oh.
And I've already tried Daddy's peanut butter and jelly with banana and bacon on it. And I didn't like it.
Oh, I thought it was good.
Sissy likes it.
I'm different.
And You gotta mix the peanut butter and the jelly together.
Yeah, you gotta mix that peanut butter and jelly up together and use thin sliced bacon.
Crispy and easier to bite through.
Yes. Well, that's it for today, guys. See you later.